Hey everyone, welcome back to Going Off Grid. I'm Mike. We're here in the garage today. We're going to be building a slab rack for up at the sawmill. The reason I feel a little stupid is because we bought 2x4s to build this slab rack when we own a sawmill. Well, the reason for that is the sawmill's 400 miles away. So what I did was I cut 10-foot 2x4s at 6 foot with a 30-degree angle at the bottom. Laid this bottom plate out on 8-inch centers. Same with the top plate. We're going to screw all this together and then we'll be doing the same with the other half, which will be a shorter section. Well, this is the other half of the rack. That's the 4-foot piece left off of the 10-footers that I cut the 6-foot piece off of. These have a 45-degree angle on the bottom edge, and these two walls will scissor together when we're done. So that's basically my version of a slab rack. My thought is, once you lay your slabs in here, you can stack your slabs all the way up through. And these are on 8-inch centers. So if you cut between every other one, you got roughly 16-inch firewood. Easy to process, don't have to bend over and pick it all up. So that's it. we'll find out how it works out. Thanks for watching along. See you on the next video.